Today, I want to share one very much useful information to whoever is traveling to abroad. For them, I want to share one information that is about the SIM. If any one of you are dependents, especially parents, wife, if they are coming from India to abroad, at that time you can suggest them purchase this kind of SIM in that airport itself, India airport itself. The benefit is, now you can ask me, how can I get the SIM? How can they can get the SIM? Simple. They have to show only passport, ticket. Obviously, they will give the SIM, and some of you may be thinking that my wife doesn't know how to fit the SIM. My parent doesn't know how to fit the SIM. No, don't worry. Actually, the sellers itself, they'll open that phone and they'll fit the SIM, and they'll ensure that is working. But the benefit is, once your dependents or parents are coming to any country, once they get on, they just need to be turn on their mobile, then the signal is on. They can use internet, phone calls, so that they need not to depend anybody. You need not worry about where they are, those things,
9 days back.
and how much it costs. It is very cheap cost compared to if you are taking the SIM in US. Compared to that, if you take the SIM in Indian airport, it is going to be cheap. It's around $20, $25. That's it. Especially if you are coming on H1B, better to take the SIM there itself, because my wife is saying that 9 days validity it is there, but you can recharge it. Internet recharge is there, and they use data also. And especially if you are coming to the America or on H1B, better to take this 100%. The reason behind, once you come there, you have to depend on your friend or anybody to buy a SIM. Instead of that, better to take the SIM itself. Once you come to America, easy for you to call anybody, relatives, anybody. You need not depend on anybody. Even you can book Uber also. If you are taking the international travel card, you can you can add that international travel card for your Uber. Once you come here, you can book your Uber your own internet. And especially remember that if you come outside of the country, if you ask anybody for internet, they will not give you. You have to depend on internet in airport internet. That is not safe. So better to take the SIM in India itself. You may ask me, did you take? Yes, I have taken my SIM in India itself. Not only me, my wife also has taken, and we are recommending, both of us, we are recommending better to take this SIM in India itself. We want to share this kind of informative videos to you. If you like this video, this video will be recommended to your friends also, and it is going to be encouraged for us. Thank you so much for watching.